Playa del Carmen Beach in Mexico is one of the great destinations for tourists who want to enjoy the sun, sea, and unspoiled beauty of the Caribbean. With its white sand and clear blue waters, Playa del Carmen attracts thousands of tourists every year to relax and unwind under the warm sunshine. Playa del Carmen Beach is located in a prime location on the east coast of Mexico, in the state of Quintana Roo. Located on the Yucatan Peninsula, Playa del Carmen is about 68 kilometers south of the capital Cancun and only about 20 kilometers east of the city of Cozumel, which has an international airport. This geographical location makes it easy for tourists to access by air, road, or even sea. Playa del Carmen Beach is not only a great destination for nature, but also a place that reflects the interface between climate and human environment. With a tropical climate, Playa del Carmen is influenced by two major seasons, the dry season and the rainy season. The dry season usually lasts from November to April, with warm sunshine and little rain. On Playa del Carmen Beach, the natural beauty of white sand and blue sea is not only what attracts tourists, but also the eyes of hot girls. With outstanding bikinis and healthy tan skin, the girls on Playa del Carmen Beach shine with charm and confidence. 15. Playa del Carmen Beach plays an important role in Mexico's tourism industry. It is a top destination that attracts millions of visitors from all over the world every year. The attraction of this beach comes not only from its natural beauty, but also from the richness and diversity of tourist activities. Furthermore, it is necessary to ensure that tourism resources are distributed fairly and technologically to local communities, from supporting local businesses to providing community-based tourism activities. Join us in exploring amazing destinations around the world through our Wandering channel. With authentic and beautiful videos, we will take you through colorful routes, discover new lands, and enjoy memorable travel experiences. Subscribe to our Wandering channel now to not miss any new videos, and share your passion for travel with the travel community around the world.